It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So I have a Pinterest inspired DIY for you guys tonight. This is going to go relatively quick. All you need is a wood round. I did choose to create this project on one of the smaller wood rounds that Uncle T purchased from me from Michael's. And all I'm doing is taking some of that wood tint or walnut tint by Folk Art, and I am just applying it on both sides of this wood round. Now I will say this project will probably work better if you use one of the larger wood rounds, if you have a large family, and or if you want to embellish the actual inspo picture more using your ideas and things that you want to come up with. But nevertheless, I just again opted to use one of the smaller wood rounds from Michael's, and I am just sanding off the glue that was on the back of it, and I am just again applying some of that walnut tint by Folk Art to the back of it, and we'll be drying it using my heating tool that I purchased from Amazon. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel. Hopefully you had time to look at the cute Christmas ornament haul that I uploaded to the channel earlier. I found some great finds at Dollar General. So make sure you check out that video if you have yet to do so. And as you can see, I am just dry brushing over this wood round using some of that Snow White paint by by Waverly brand. And then what I did off camera was put together some puzzle pieces, because this is going to be one of the focal pieces for this inspiration picture tonight, or inspirational project tonight. And all I'm doing is giving it a base coat of this Snow White paint. And then I will be using some Mod Podge to seal it together so that the puzzle pieces will not come apart, as well as applying a strip of hot glue to the very back before securing it to my wood round. So guys, this is going to go very quick. I did intentionally speed it up for the simple reason it is such an easy project. I wanted to include something in my DIYs for Christmas that could be something done with parents with school-aged children. I think this will be fun for them, to give them some type of activity and just to kind of, help them understand the meaning of family. And so if you think about the puzzle pieces, with families, we could come in a million pieces, but when we are joined together, it's a beautiful thing. And I think this piece overall represents family and unity. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So now you see me gluing down my puzzle pieces. Now, after I got started on this, I said I probably should have left it just white and just went with my original idea. But I got in my head and decided to paint. And that's exactly what I did. I painted each one of these little puzzle pieces. I think I left 2 white, but then I used like the red by Waverly, the green, some of the wood tint, the walnut tint. Then I used just some pens, and I just started grabbing colors. Green, hunter green, as you can see. But overall, this turned out really cute. I think this is a fun project for school-age children as well as their parents. And it also, give them an opportunity to participate in DIYing, anything for the kiddos. And all you're doing, guys, is just painting your puzzle pieces. And you can paint them whatever color you want. This is not something that's just isolated for Christmas. This is something that you can do all year long. This is also something that you can do, with your school-age children, and then give it as a gift to grandma. Us grandmas are suckers for crafts and, little things from our grandkids. So trust me, this would be something that is memorable to a grandparent. And again, all I'm doing is just going, section by section and painting each one of these pieces a different color. And now I want to make a swag because this was just kind of boring to me. And so I wanted to give it more of a Christmas flair. But again, this is a project or a DIY inspo picture that I saw on Pinterest. And I said, well, let me just do it. It just seemed like it was fun. And so all you're doing is just like I'm doing here. Now, this is not part of the inspiration picture, and you can choose to forego this step if you want to. But I decided to, like I said, make this piece of mine a Christmas piece, being that we are crafting for Christmas. And I just took some of those pretty frosted stems that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'm creating a swag out of it. And once I do that, you see I am gluing it down. I did write 2024 at the bottom because this again is a larger sign. And then I'm just free writing Fuller Family. Not trying to be perfect with it. I was just trying to make sure I got this project completed so that I can upload it to the channel for you guys, because I want you inspired for Christmas. I do. And so, as you can see, I am just writing out the names of my family, my children, my husband, and of course, yours truly. And then now you see where I am getting ready to create my jute twine bow. And of course, I'm going to burn the phrase off of it. If you are new to my channel, I like the clean look of the rope, so I always burn the phrase off of it. And plus, when you burn the rope, it gives it a darker appearance, and I think that it really elevates the project more and enhances the look of it. Again, guys, this is a quick DIY. It is an inspired piece by Pinterest. It is not a dupe. It is just something that I wanted to bring to the channel for, the creative kids. And we are at the reveal, guys. I've inserted the picture from Pinterest next to mine. As you can see, this is an inspired piece. Mine looks totally different, and you can follow the Pinterest model exactly. I think they use theirs as an ornament on this particular picture. But guys, what do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know. I hope you have gained some inspiration. Stay tuned tomorrow as I will be bringing you some more content. Be blessed, guys.